Just put salt in the steel wool and you're gonna thank me. I stopped spending money. And hey folks, this is really amazing. And all you're gonna do is get a container and then go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of salt, alright? Just regular kitchen salt. Salt in. Now we're gonna need dish soap. Here I'm using this red one, but feel free to use whatever you got there. Let's add 3 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix it up. And now just finish with white or alcohol vinegar. We'll need just 1 tablespoon here. And guys, this mixture is really amazing. When you start using this at home, I'm sure you'll never want to use anything else. Now just mix everything very well. And it's ready to use. But now folks, what did we just make? With this product, not only you can clean, but also give an incredible shine to all of your pans. And for that, you need to use this together with the steel wool. That's right. For example, folks, here I have this milk jug, right? We use it a lot to heat milk or water. As you can see, it's a little burnt. It's pretty ugly, isn't it? Now, let me show you. Just go ahead and take the steel wool and moisten it a little in the mixture. And then use it to scrub your pans. And folks, this is actually very powerful. As I said, in addition to removing all the dirt, it's also gonna give it a very nice shine. And why is that? Because of the salt. Salt is extremely abrasive. You see, it's already much better. Not to mention the shine it's gonna give this. It's really amazing. Okay, I already finished scrubbing it, and it didn't even take 2 minutes to scrub it. Now let's wash it off to see the result. And look at this, folks. Look at this unbelievable shine this pan has now. See how beautiful? That's really awesome. I love this product. So, for all of you housewives who like to always leave your aluminum or steel pans super clean and shining, try making this product at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the results.